Hey there, want to get ChatGPT on your device? It's super easy and I'll show you how to do it in just few steps. Are you ready? Let's go. Firstly, open your Google Play Store. Now, tap the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap the search bar at the top and type in ChatGPT. Look for the app with the black and white logo. That's the one we want. Found it? Great. Tap on it to open the app's details. Now tap on the install button and get ready to see it in action. Go ahead and tap install. Now just wait for a few seconds while your download and installation is done. All done. Once it's installed, tap open and start exploring ChatGPT. Easy, right? If this video helped you, hit like, share and subscribe and comment below what's the first thing you'll do on ChatGPT. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.